Hi guys, this is Bucky and today I'm going to be unboxing this gun I bought, which is Nerf. I haven't been unboxing because I want to show you guys me unboxing it. Sorry about I haven't been making videos for 4 days. I mean 5, because I went to France, and I only bought this. And the third day, so yeah, got 3 bullets, and it's called First Strike. What a weird name for babies. Okay, so I'm unboxing it. I've got to show you, which is so weird. Okay, get that one. Did that one. And did that one. Oh, that's little bullets. So it's alright. Now the bullets. There we go. It took me 30 seconds to unbox this. Wow. So sorry. I'm so sorry that it took me so short, so this video will be short, I bet. So what is this showing? Okay, there's this instruction about this gun. Why would you need some instructions for this gun? It's this, and this. The thing is, which is really good about this gun is this laser beam. So you put 1 bullet here, and then 2 bullets here. You keep it there. Okay, this can't go fully. Just shut out the phone. Wait, I want to show you guys. Wait a second, guys. I'm so sorry about this, but there's a torture. I know you can't see anything because I need to get the batteries. Sorry, guys. Just what a second. No! Put this back. 2 batteries. Wish they fit here. Really? I need a screwdriver, for God's sake. I'll show you it. Wait, I'll show you wait another second. This is a long video after all. Stay there. Yeah, it's good like that. I'm back with a screwdriver. Yeah. it's a screwdriver. That's how I talk to babies. Took me 1 minute. So, screwdriver. Yeah. This totally fits. Is it this side? I fucking don't know. I don't know which side it is. For God's sake, this gun is a torture after all. But anyway, this is a real unboxing. God, really? I scratched myself? I don't want to show you that. I bet it's gonna bleed. It's not bleeding yet. It's going red. It's going red. Ow, 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 ow. That really hurt, actually. Actually, that really hurt. It's getting dirty. Oh my gun, for God's sake. Okay. Ooh, I think it's this side. Not again. For God's sake. Really, really. Okay, it's opening. It's opening. What a lovely, lovely. I've been. It's opening. Finally, I can show you guys the laser beam. Open. Oh. I did it! That's it. Oh, it's not bleeding. Awesome. Put this in. Hey. Doesn't fit in. Wait a second again. Sorry about this, guys. Guys. No batteries found. So, bye-bye. Why are batteries?